So what I'm going to show you today is, and I've already got this partly apart, but we'll work on this, is how to fix a third row Odyssey seat that will not go down. So when you pull the lever, pull this, the seat will not go release from the floor, will not go into the well, so you don't have that magic seat. My first step is to show you a temporary fix. So you're stuck, it doesn't work, kids are crying, you need to get going. You need to put the seat down because you just bought them something nice and you want to get home. You go down here with a pair of pliers, and you might have to buy these at Dollar Tree or whatever because you're in a parking lot someplace. But right here you'll see there's this wire here. If you pull this wire with a pair of pliers, you'll see that will release the seat. So that's a temporary way of fixing that. It is not a permanent way. You don't want to keep doing this. It's something it's kind of a pain in the neck. So from here, we'll show you how I fixed the seat that would not go down. All right, so the first step to get this done is we're going to need to, there's a little track in here. You see that right there. You pick your hands in here. We're going to just take this and take this little thing right there, slide your fingers on, release that. Now this zipper is going to be in like this normally. So you pull the zipper out, and you're going to undo the zipper. And then pull this out. You're going to want to take this, if you can get a pair of pliers, and this piece here comes out. You just pull it a little bit, or slide the piece over like that. There's 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3, and take those out. I've already loosened these, so you'll need a 10mm socket. Probably need 4 or 5 because, as we all know, 10mm sockets have legs and will disappear. If you don't get that joke, you are not qualified to make this repair. So we're going to take this apart here, and I've already fixed this. I'm going to show you what I did. I have some videos to show you the before and after here, but this is a finish. So what we've discovered here is we look back in here, and right in here you'll see this little, let's see if you can see it there, this little ball here, and that's going to sit in there. But you can see that this right here, there's a retainer that's bent. It's kind of hard to see, but I'm trying my best here. This little retainer right in there, it's bent. You can see this little ball can come out. And what that ball does is it's supposed to, it's been sitting like that, okay? So that ball is supposed to be inside that track. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to put that ball back in there and somehow get a pair of pliers or something to compress that and put it in the way it's supposed to be. So I'm going to stop this now. So anyway, you can see in there it's nice and tight. That ball cannot get out of that socket area. So now when I pull on my strap here, that ball cannot escape, and that's kind of the key, is that ball's got to be in there. So once again, it's about a half-hour fix to kind of jiggle around with it. I use a pair of pliers. I use a C-clamp to kind of close that lever in more towards it. It actually bent out away from the seat back. So if it doesn't look like this, it's not going to work. If there's any gap in there that ball can get out, it will eventually get out, and you'll be back to square one. So anyway, so there's how I fixed it. I'm going to put this back together and show you.